Good morning, you guys. I'm back today with another vloggy vlog.
Skinny girls wake, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. Wow. All I do.
So you guys, it's day 2 of my big sister's birthday New Orleans trip. I just got myself together. They're waiting on me. I bet she gonna have an attitude because I took a little while to get ready, but how can you rush this? Y'all see it? A nice quick, I actually did my face really fast, so she just in a hurry. But let's go see if they ready, because you know how people always tell you that you take long, but then in all actuality they not even ready themselves. Let me go see if they ready. Her room is right across the hall from mine. Yeah, I ain't even show you my hotel room, and it's a mess. Y'all know it's like a tornado with me when I'm getting ready, but I did take a clip of my room before I messed it up. So yeah, y'all, let's go see if she's actually ready. Look who's at my door. I guess they was ready, huh?
We've been waiting for you for 2 hours.
It did not take me 2 hours to get ready.
I went to TJ Maxx.
Wait, I want to put some ice in my water bottle. Can I get out my room?
I've been putting the ice in that machine. Girl, you don't know when the last time they cleaned that shit.
Oh my gosh, I need ice for my water bottle. Here we go. Nurse Michelle, I feel you, but I need to stop and get some ice. Can I get out?
Ow.
Get out my way. Ow, what the hell you hitting me for?
You sitting there want to rush us when your ass is the one that held us off.
Hey.
No.
Shut up. Don't be calling me out in my video.
I'll call you out when I want to.
Alright, y'all, so first off, we're about to go head to Baton Rouge to, of course, Chef Charles and my friend Walisha's restaurant. We're about to go there for brunch. I got these motherfuckers with me. Hey, Papa. Good morning, Papa.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Jay Hollow.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, y'all, so we on our way to La Baton Rouge. I'm gonna slap that one right there. You see her right there?
Don't come at me.
Right there.
I've been waiting
You
for
see
2
her?
hours.
It was not 2 hours.
Yes, it is.
She get out by that. Even on her own birthday, she can't shut the hell up.
No, because we gotta.
I'm cutting you off. It's my video. Bye. Aw, my niece said you should see the inside. It's so beautiful. Yeah, we're here in Baton Rouge at my friend's restaurant. Bringing my family.
May look tiny, but you love to see the inside. It's like
Open the door, please. Alicia! Hey, Trey! I'm back. Guess who's back? Give me a hug.
Yes.
Hey. I told you I was coming back.
Yes, indeed.
And I'm about my family.
Hello.
Walisha, that's my sister Michelle. Michelle, Walisha. That's Lily and Bella, my nieces. You know I be filming, girl.
You got it? Push it down the phone, baby.
Push it down that way a little
Go
bit.
away, baby. Thank you.
He got it.
You got it.
That's your star employee. So yeah, I'm back. Y'all know I'm here for that catfish. You know I want that catfish.
And what's not on there is the burgers also.
Oh,
Alright. Oh, look, actually, steak and shrimp on 2 sides. Look,
I'm doing the catfish, girl. I don't want to see.
shell crab pasta.
I'm doing the catfish.
Oh, the roasted.
I be
Oh, I don't know. This all looks good.
I be getting a plate to go too.
Roasted duck.
And we came here last time and got 5 plates and 3 desserts.
Steak and shrimp is calling my name.
It's all
Catfish is
good.
calling my name.
Y'all, I'm about to say, I cannot figure out what I want. It's like, I don't know if we about to order different things and then like taste them, or if I'm gonna order like 2 plates myself and one to go, and then take like on my leftovers home. I don't know, but so everything looks so good. I don't know. We gonna see. Last time me and Ronnie bought plates to eat here, 2 plates to go home, and like 3 desserts. So I don't know what we about to get. Right? Like, babe, look at my babies. Hello, children.
Hello.
About to go in, son.
What? I opened it yesterday.
No, man.
It's like a snack. Oh, there you go. Y'all, this tripod ring light is one of the best things I ever bought. If you're a YouTuber, you have show them extended it, baby. Extended, and it extends, and it's not gonna like break your hand, break your arm filming. Look at that. Bring it down a little bit, and it has a tripod at the bottom. This is one of the best buys I've bought this year. And the light it has white light and yellow light. It's a great find. Look at it. This is my vlogging camera right here, y'all. For people who be wondering what I film with, I have
Got the ketchup.
Okay. Right now, I'm vlogging on my phone in 4K.
Sorry, bro.
So, there you go. See, look at that. I can sit right here and turn my light on and I'll mukbang for y'all. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, because this food be good, y'all. I might, you know, you know what I mean? Was you busting a jig?
Break your neck.
What in the world? Michelle said she about to order 2. We about to order a bunch of food.
No, because I want a piece of catfish with the gumbo bowl.
This is gonna be our late night food too, because we need to take food to eat later too. Yeah, we got the cutest waiter. Look at this. No, good. Say hi. What would you like, Ronnie?
Get a cheeseburger with some hand-cut fries.
Cheeseburger with hand-cut fries with ketchup and mayo? Okay. You got that? Okay. Look at our waiter. This is their grandson. His name is Trey.
Gotta order to pick up their seat car carrier.
Look, hello.
What would you like, Lils?
I would like a cheeseburger.
What you want? The chef burger? What do you want on it? Because it comes with mushrooms, I think. You just want cheese, mayonnaise, ketchup?
What's a salmon salad?
You don't want mushrooms and onions?
Salmon?
She just wants it plain with just cheese, mayonnaise, and ketchup, please.
Okay.
Bella, she's getting the seafood pasta, right?
No, I just want this. The roasted salad.
You want the salad?
Yeah. It came out
What she's getting?
Roasted salmon salad.
The roasted salmon. That sounds good. Okay, okay, Bells. I'm about to take a bite of yours, a bite of yours. So
Excuse me.
I didn't get a roasted salmon. That sounds good.
I do a little new one. Oh, this cake's smooth. Medium well. We'll use the one with the cake. It's awesome. Can I get a side of catfish? Just the catfish, just one. About to tap on 3.
Oh, babe, they have brisket.
And then for the what do you recommend? Pablo Bill's City. Okay, I'll take the Brussels sprout. Can I get one more?
Ooh, they got stuffed soft shell crab pasta.
Candy yams is good.
The candy yams are good. Dang, Bella, why you didn't get the soft shell crab pasta? I wanted to taste that.
Which one would you get? You would buy that for yourself.
I could buy that for myself, Fricker. I could get that to go, huh?
I will go with your suggestion. Alright, so have steak and shrimp medium well with a salad and catfish.
We're gonna take a plate home.
The Brussels sprouts and the roasted potatoes. Yes.
I don't know.
With your salmon salad.
I might just take one banana pudding.
She sold out a banana pudding.
Word?
I think so. She said they had like a big rush earlier.
I have this confession to make. I eat it at lunch.
I think I'm gonna do this this stuffed soft shell crab pasta to go.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I get that to go? Please, thank you. And of course, here at Bistro, we keeping up with the COVID regulations, keeping everybody nice and safe and sanitized. That's yeah.
It's been like
That's good.
Yeah, look at this. You see they burgers? Even as busy as they are, they still grilled bread. Those are hand-cut potatoes. Look at that. And look at Lily's. That big old burger. For my little baby.
Cut it across in fours too?
You need ketchup?
Got mustard.
Let's go.
Hand-cut potatoes.
You want like that? Don't put it on your shirt.
Oh my gosh, look at Michelle's food. She got the surf and turf, steak, shrimp, and catfish. Yum.
Yeah, I got a piece of catfish on the side.
Look at Bella's salad, salmon salad.
Busy playing games.
What?
Better thing.
What? You ain't good, y'all. Yeah, they make the best. Look at that smile. Don't they make the best burgers, Lily? It's so good, right? I told you.
Look, I didn't put my fruits. Eat Brussels sprout. You know what?
Right? Is that not the best? Yo, they make the best burgers. So good.
You got cheese pull on that?
So good. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, honey peppercorn. Look. Y'all, these are the honey peppercorn wings, y'all. Y'all see these? Look, oh my gosh, these right, y'all. Y'all remember these Brussels sprouts? Oh my gosh. Yo, these. Oh my gosh. Look at these wings. Oh my gosh.
I've seen that fall, though.
Y'all, look. Honey peppercorn wings. Brussels sprouts. And of course, y'all already know I'm back for the catfish. Red beans and rice. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Yo. Ooh. Oh man, I got toothpaste on my shirt. Every time I wear a black shirt, I get toothpaste on my shirt. Every time. We good? We good? We good?
Let me get down.
Okay, y'all. I've been waiting for this, y'all. Look at these Brussels sprouts. Look at that. It's focusing on me. Oh, look at that.
This is so good.
Aw. It's so good, right? I told you. You want to come here tomorrow too? Lily says so. What'd you say? Oh, yeah, this catfish. Yeah, I know. I had to come all the way back for this catfish. Look at this. Look at that batter. Y'all see that batter on there? Oh my gosh.
I want a wing pepper.
Right here. Y'all don't understand how good this fish is.
You can actually taste like the water. Like, I can taste the water.
It's so good. My niece said this is so good. We gotta come back here tomorrow. Yeah, this fish. It's so good. Don't mind the toothpaste on my shirt, y'all. My teeth is clean. Yeah, these are the honey peppercorn wings. I've been looking at this
I want one.
for years. Take it here. Not this one I done turned around.
Yeah. Take something else.
No, take it. Thank you so much. Yeah, look at this. Oh, you see that honey peppercorn sauce dripping off of there? Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Y'all. Ooh, hot. But y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's cooked perfect. It's so juicy.
No.
What?
That was my pops in there. Every time I go to the crib, I bring him chocolate. I be bringing ground. Yeah, pops, hook that up for me.
Look at that.
A big one for later.
The red beans and rice. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I'll get you some lemonade in a minute. I still have
Thank you.
lemonade. I'm sorry? Oh no, I still have lemonade. I'm okay.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Start now. Ready?
No, you're good. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, this is the steak. I just took a bite of, well, a piece of my sister's steak.
I need a big bite of this burger.
Yo. Put the napkin on here so you don't end up with ketchup and mayonnaise.
Oh my gosh, everything's so good.
It's full of ketchup and mayonnaise. The napkin, that's a sure.
Is the napkin dirty?
That is good, Mickey. Yeah. Want some of my food? Oh, you want wing? Here, take a wing.
It's good, Roddy, the wing.
It ain't spicy, nothing.
Want ketchup?
I ate all my Brussels sprouts.
Want some more? Lord, they're good, girl.
You sound like a pig.
Good, Bella? I told you. Look at Ronnie's burger. He's blessing me with a bite.
No, he's watching you real close.
Yeah, I had to pry that from him. Them burgers is good. He ain't want to give it to me. Here, take a wing. Yes, take that drumstick. You know I like the flats. Yeah. Y'all don't understand how good this is. We didn't eat all day for this. Oh my gosh, you guys, stick a fork in me, I'm done. Look at this. Huh? I'll not be playing about their catfish. Look at that. I got one to go. They sold out of the other thing I was going to get to take for dinner for later. So, look, I got a piece of catfish to go. Look at this. Look at that. Done. Body. Body.
You.
Okay, y'all, we're done. Oh, crumbs. All right, let's roll, y'all. On to the next spot.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that.